What's going on, Marissa here? I'm gonna throw you. No, that's not what I was gonna say. I've had some coffee, a little bit hyper. Forgive me. I'm gonna show you 3 websites you can use to make up to $100 per day if you're consistent with them. My name is Marissa. I think I already said that. I've been working from home full-time for the last 6 years, okay? And what I'm noticing is a lot of people are interested in working from home. They don't know where to start. So what I've been doing lately is making a lot of videos going over a range of different sites, business opportunities, or even real jobs that you can get into, okay, to make some either extra money or to make a full-time income from home. It's actually possible. If you like videos like that, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and give this video a like. Also, if you want to see what I personally use to make a full-time income from home, and I've been doing this literally the same thing for like 6 years. It works. It's something that can happen. You can use for short term or long term. If you're interested, you can go ahead and click the first link in my video description below to check that out. Okay, so the first site I'm actually going to go to, this is for the ladies, okay? Don't worry, men, I got you in a second here, but this is kind of a funny name, hiremymom.com. Okay, so this is more geared towards moms, stay-at-home moms, okay? If you're somebody that is a mom, I know there's a lot of moms that, ask me a lot of times, what can they do to work from home? So this is a place where you find real opportunities, if you're a single mom, to work from home. As you can see, these are actual, a lot of these are like real jobs you can actually apply for and get. I know a lot of people aren't necessarily looking for like a business opportunity. They're more so looking for like a real job that they can, apply for. And this is one place that actually has real jobs that you can get hired to do, but actually work from home. If you go onto hiremymom.com, you can go to what are job seekers saying. And this is actually really cool. You see some reviews of people that, maybe they came from all kind of situations. Maybe, they got, like, this person was laid off from their office job, okay? And she needed something quick. She found out about this site. She got going with it and has actually found opportunities and jobs that she's been doing. She's been doing this for 3 years, which is actually really crazy. That's awesome. This person's saying they've got legit opportunities right here. This one, this person says that she's been doing this since 2017, and she's got some really good proofreading, copy editing gigs, right? Things like that. This woman right here was saying that she's been a stay-at-home mom, but practically all of her adult life, she's saying here. And, they were surviving basically on one income. She realized they can't really keep doing that. She needed to do something to bring in some income. And through this site, she was able to get hired at a company, okay, that has helped her family, okay, with another additional stream of income. So it's actually an actual company. So you can find little gigs, or you can actually find companies that will literally hire you for certain positions, okay, full time. What you'll do is you go down on any part of the site and come right here to where it says job seekers. You'll end up signing up now, okay, where it says, do you want to work from home, okay? You'll press sign up, and if you have a resume, you can post that. What'll happen is you'll fill this out, okay? They're going to get back to you. You're going to have an account. And then once you get in, you're accepted, then you're able to actually find jobs and gigs on Hire My Mom. So now onto the second site, okay? Now I used to think for a very long time, people who are wanting to seek out, things they can do to make extra money would not be really interested in survey sites. But to my surprise here and shock, there's a lot of people that actually want to know about survey sites, and Survey Junkie is one of those sites. It's one of the highest paying survey sites you can get on, and for some reason people like these sites. A lot of people tell me, and they say, hey, I want you to send me as many survey sites as you can, because they actually stack them. They find the legit ones, the highest paying ones, and they stack them, and they work them a little bit every day, either on their phone or on, just in their spare time at home. And so Survey Junkie is a survey site. These are becoming, as much as I didn't think survey sites would last, it seems like they're becoming more and more popular. So, there you go. This is probably one of the easiest ways you can, make money. You will spend your time doing this. What's really great about survey sites is most of them are completely free to get a part of. So you would just go to surveyjunkie.com. I'm going to go ahead and press sign up with Facebook. That is like the easiest way to sign up, thanks to me. Let's go ahead and go through this little survey right here. Or not really survey. I guess it's just kind of, you giving your information. All right. Birthday. Who else is born in August? Let me know. All right. Boom. Survey Junkie. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. And just for signing up, we get 25 points. A lot of times, and I've done many survey sites, and they definitely can work for sure. So if you're somebody that you're not really interested in just like going through a huge learning curve of, trying to make, extra money online. If you want something, super simple and easy to do, survey sites can definitely be up your alley. Here's a really good tip, okay? I'm telling you because I've done this quite a bit, okay? And I know what works with survey sites and what doesn't. The more you can answer, okay, on these questions, you want to be honest, of course, but hey, let me tell you something, okay? The more you can add on these types of questions like this one says, do you have any of the following pets? When you press, I don't own any pets, guess what? It lowers, the amount of surveys you're actually going to be getting on a daily basis, okay? So look, let me tell you something. If you don't own any pets, that's great. But let me tell you something. If you got a friend that has a bird, you know what? And you can call that friend and get some information about birds whenever you get surveys that, are from companies, usually going to be probably like pet companies, veterinarians or like the pet supply companies. I can tell you right now, that's what it's going to be. And you can call your friend up and ask them, about the surveys. Maybe you want to do that. If you were like, no, I can't do it. I don't have any pets. If you don't want to click, I don't own any pets. That's great. You don't have to. I got a fish. Okay. I got a fish. I do have a fish, and so I can put that there. But you know what? I'm going to put these other ones too. I'm going to put these up. You know what? Probably not horse, because I don't know any friends that have horses. Small rodents. My sister has a bunny. Okay? I could call her up and be like, hey, I got this survey about bunnies. Let's go. Okay? I used to have a bird. All right. Save and continue. How much of the household's grocery shopping do you do for yourself? Do you do yourself? Okay? It's me. I do all of it, all right? Do all of it for you, all right? Do you speak Spanish? I should speak Spanish. I'm half Puerto Rican. My mom knows it fluently. I don't know Spanish. I could put no, but here's the thing. You know what I'm saying? I got my mom. I could ask her. Probably not. Okay, I won't say I know Spanish. Okay. Don't have any children, but you know what? I got some friends. I got some kids. I'm telling you, the more you can relate with these questions, the more surveys you're going to get. That's the point I'm trying to get across, And I'm being a little bit silly here, but that's the thing. Don't have any kids. Wow. Wish I could almost put some. Oh, expecting. If you're expecting, I'm not expecting. I'm going to have to say don't have any kids. Okay. This is like one of those questions. Which of the following social networks are you a member of? All right. We're just going to go ahead and click on all of them. Okay. Let's do it. What are your interests and hobbies? Look, I'm telling you right now, if I got friends that are in any of these, I'm interested because they're my friends at some level, okay? Listen, y'all might think this is so terrible. Boating. Oh, man. Look, I know people in all of these. I'm going to tell you that right now, all right? Oh, my God. I accidentally selected none of the above. So you don't want to, I got to recheck all of these. God. All right, we got some of these health issues. Now, this is maybe, I don't know that you would want to just select all of these, you know what I'm saying? But, you will get the medical surveys and like the medical case studies you can get can be pretty high. I got 50 points for doing that. Oh my God, this is one of those things. It can just really keep going. And the reason why I'm already liking Survey Junkie is because they automatically start popping them up for you. A lot of survey sites, you have to just constantly search for them. So this is actually really cool. When you confirm your email, you get 25 points. When you add the extension, there's an actual extension you can add onto your browser. That gives you 150 points. That's a lot of points. So there you go. Survey Junkie. Start going through this stuff if this is kind of the stuff you like. The next site is called Zirtual. Okay. Now, this is it's kind of like the hiremymom.com, but this is going to be for everybody, okay? And this is more of becoming an assistant for people that you can do from home, okay? As a lot of people are turning to the internet, not only to start their own businesses, but to work and things like that, people are needing assistance. I know several people that have online businesses that now are at the level where they need assistance. I'm climbing to the point where eventually I'm going to need some assistance. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to come to places like Zirtual to actually hire people. So what does that mean for you sitting on the other end? Okay, you can become a virtual assistant. You can help companies with data entry. You can be a personal assistant. You can be an email assistant. Wow, I may need that, okay, for real. A marketing assistant, a travel planning assistant, people with research. I mean, there's all kinds of things that you can do to become an online assistant for a company or even person. What you would actually want to do is come down here to either careers or work for Zirtual, or you can contact them and go through the process of becoming, getting onto their platform so they can hire you as an assistant, and then you will kind of unlock the database of jobs they have on here that you can actually get hooked up with. Real quick side note, while I was actually making this video, I got paid $100. Okay, $100, right? I'm making a video, and this happens all the time, even when I'm not on the computer. Kind of a side note, a little kind of. Make sure you give these sites a try. Also, just keep in mind, you have to be consistent with this stuff. I think a lot of people try to look for things they can do online to make money and thinking it's just going to be, I mean, just literally no work. I mean, even if you're doing the survey sites, you're going to have to know you're going to have to block out a certain amount of time on a daily basis to work that survey site to get to the level where you want to get at. Give them a try. I hope you like them. And again, if you want to see what I personally use to make a full-time income from home, click that first link in my video description below. Check it out. You'll see me on the other side. And I'll talk to you later. Subscribe if you haven't already.